In the heart of a crowded city, where thousands of people passed each other every day without ever truly seeing one another, there lived a beggar named Raman. He sat at the same street corner every morning, wrapped in worn-out clothes, his hands stretched forward, his eyes lowered, not because he was blind, but because he had learned that people rarely met his gaze. To most people, Raman was invisible. They saw him as a poor beggar with nothing, no money, no education, no future. Some dropped coins out of pity, some ignored him completely, and others looked at him with judgment. But what no one knew was that Raman carried something powerful inside him, a thought that refused to die, and that thought would change his life forever, a life shaped by loss. Raman was not born a beggar. Years ago, he had a home, a loving mother, and dreams as bright as the morning sun. His father worked as a factory laborer, earning just enough to survive. Life was difficult, but it had dignity. Everything changed when Raman was 16. His father died in a sudden accident. The small income vanished overnight. His mother fell sick soon after, and medical bills swallowed whatever little savings they had. Raman left school to work odd jobs, but poverty has a cruel way of closing doors one by one. When his mother passed away, Raman was alone. No relatives wanted the burden. No friends stayed long. Hunger became his daily companion, and slowly, the streets became his home. That was how Raman became a beggar, not by choice, but by circumstance. The power of a single thought. For years, Raman believed what the world told him. You are poor. You are useless. You will never be anything. And slowly those words became his identity. But one rainy evening, everything changed. As Raman sat shivering under a broken shelter, he overheard a man speaking to a small crowd nearby. The man was not rich nor famous, but his words were powerful. You don't become what the world thinks you are. You become what you think about yourself, again and again. Those words struck Raman like lightning. That night, for the first time in years, Raman did not sleep. He kept repeating that sentence in his mind. What if this is true? What if my life is not decided by my past, but by my thoughts today? For the first time, hope entered his heart, not loudly but gently.